Alright, so here's a video I probably should have made a couple weeks ago. Painted the grill, used automotive black and automotive clear. Got off of Amazon. Like a gallon of black, a gallon of clear, the reducers and things. Truck's dirty right now. Currently have the bumper off. I am going to be painting it black as well. If you notice, I did not paint the entire grill. I only painted this part and this part and this part. To me, it makes it look better than just painting the whole grill. I'm not going to go into how to paint. I'm not a painter, but I watch a bunch of videos on YouTube about how to paint. I painted the wheels, left the lug nuts and the caps normal. I think it looks all right. Could have been better, but you know, next time. Door handles came out well. These door handles come off real easy. They just pop off. They're basically caps. The wheels. We'll be doing the rear bumper as well, but just thought I'd show it. Stuffing up the chrome bumper right now, and going to do some etching primer, normal primer, and then the black and then the clear. Once again, I'm not a painter. I don't play to be one. I paint stuff for myself and my family, and if it messes up, I can do it over again. But I just wanted this video because, you know, you don't have to pay people hundreds of dollars to do all this stuff. One, they usually don't care, and so they don't do that great of a job often. Learn how to do it the first time. If it doesn't come out great, the next time you do it, it'll be awesome. So I'm gonna put the phone down and get back to sanding or scuffing or whatever you want to call it, and we will go from there. And get back to you when I got some primer on there. All right, here's the bumper. Did etching primer and then normal primer. This is the primer I used. I'm not a paint person. I don't know all the difference was between all of them. And then this is the black I used. I believe this is like a GM, like trim black. That's the clear I use. Got all this stuff off of eBay. That's the etching primer. Like I said, I'm not a painter. Don't approve to me. If you look, you can see little nibs, probably right there. See that one? I did it just in my garage, so it's not perfect by any means. Now, obviously, I could have wet sanded this and then put another coat of clear on there. But I got time constraints. I gotta get this thing back on here so my wife can use it for the rest of the week. But, as I said earlier, I don't paint for other people. I just paint for myself and my wife and my family. And my wife thinks this looks amazing and she doesn't care. So, this is good enough. A couple $100 worth of stuff that I'll be able to finish painting the back bumper, probably my son's wheels, and have left over for whatever not. You know, like I said, I know how to make this perfect, but I have time constraints. Here's a little nib right there. You wet sand it, like real light sanding, probably like a 400, 600. Make it look all nice. Put another thing of clear over here. But the issue is, I'm painting it in a garage. I'm going to keep getting those. So the only way I could do it is sand it, another coat of clear, then after it's on the vehicle, I could go back and wet sand it, and then cut and buff it, and then it'll look perfect. It's going on a truck that, you know, needs a car wash like every 3 days, and it goes through just like an automatic car wash. It's gonna beat it up. So yes, is it perfect? No. Is my wife happy? Yes, and that's all that matters. Happy wife, happy life. All right, well, I'm gonna get back to putting this thing back together again. I may periodically show a little bit of how to put this thing back together and how to put it back on the truck, because the videos on YouTube don't talk about a 2020 F150 bumper. They talk about an 18 and a 19, and it's slightly different, but it might be because I have a special package on this. I don't know, but it's pretty easy to get off, and if you take your time, you don't break any clips. All right, here's the finished product. Got my painted bumper on. There you go.